Yo, it's Midas. Let's talk about the top AI stocks in 2025. So disclaimer, this video is only for educational purposes. Make sure to do your own research. So I want to highlight that first of all, AI is not a bubble. I think people are comparing AI to the dot-com bubble, and I do agree with that. I believe that many companies are overvalued right now and will be garbage in the future. But the companies that have real use cases, whether in the tech world or AI, will become the next Meg 7 level stocks. This is pretty similar to how it was in the dot-com bubble. You could have found very valuable companies like Google and Amazon that IPO'd during this bubble. Many stocks just crashed, and years later, now in 2025, most of them are just worth nothing. I think the same thing will happen with AI once people understand that AI is a buzzword, but it is changing our world, and the right companies with use cases will do that. AI is also changing the world, whether you like it or not. AI will eventually take over jobs. The technology gap will continue increasing. We innovate forwards, not backwards. Same idea with how, over the pandemic, many interviews and, classes in university or just the education system, meetings were all online, and this sparked the work from home revolution. Companies are still implementing this work from home structure because of how efficient it is and easy for workers to just tap into work from their home. Same thing with AI. AI is used everywhere. ChatGPT, DeepSeek, all these different LLMs are being used by major companies for coding, for the education system, and it is slowly changing our world. Like you're not using Google anymore. When many people are just using ChatGPT in order to search up different things. And finally, Stargate, which is US's $500 billion investment in AI. China's also mimicking this by investing 8.28 billion USD in AI to undermine these US chip giants. So buying the right AI stocks will set you up for that golden age in the next few years. Like the dot-com bubble, you could have bought Google or Amazon at IPO. Companies are investing billions into AI, as I mentioned, with China and the US. So AI is not going anywhere. And finding the right companies can make you millions. Because imagine if you bought NVIDIA early on, like if you were a gamer and understood that NVIDIA chips were so much better than AMD or Intel, or figured GPUs were needed to power AI. This is very similar to buying those shovels in a gold mine. So for detailed information on each stock, I posted a video on most of these already, so check it out. So my top AI stocks in 2021, not in any particular order, but starting off, let's talk about Tesla. So why invest? Well, it's a company that everyone will regret not buying one day. So first of all, they're not an EV company anymore. They have multiple revenue streams with AI, data, energy, power, and of course EVs. And I want you guys to ignore all the FUD about Elon and Tesla, like, Elon being replaced or Elon might be not in Tesla anymore because he's in Doge. Tesla is too big to fail, whether Elon's there or not. And you got to understand that the only reason why Tesla hit 500 last year was because of Elon and just his role in Doge. And you should never bet against Tesla. I think past performance and just past history has always proven that Tesla has always rebounded very quickly and very suddenly. So never bet against them. And yeah, the price is at 239 USD. Market cap is 750 billion. My target price is 1,000 plus. So with Reddit, why invest? The data gold mine for AI companies. Reddit data was used to train OpenAI's GPT. Many other AI companies are following this as Reddit has reliable user data. The price sits at 101 USD. When I saw Reddit hit 80, I was like, Reddit is super undervalued. Bought a couple of shares of it because I believe that Reddit, going from 200 to 80, especially with no big news that's really affecting it. Like tariffs shouldn't really be affecting these software companies, but they still are because of the uncertainty of the market. I think it's a really great buy. The market cap is at 18 billion. My target price is 300 plus. For my target price, I want to highlight that I know with the uncertainty of the markets, the FOMC cutting rates and all that, it's really hard to predict whether these target prices will be hit by the end of 2025 or not. And if it does, I'm assuming it's because of the FMOC cutting rates. But if not, I think 1 year or maybe in the next 5 years, this target price will hit. OKLO. So why invest? Well, it's the leading nuclear energy company to power AI and is backed by Sam Altman. Sam Altman's the founder of OpenAI. The price sits at 22.50. Market capped at 3.13 billion. My target price is 50 plus. Big Bear AI. So why invest? It's the next Palantir. Wait for this company to land more defense and government contracts. If you look at the news, they've been hitting more contracts every day. They also recently share diluted, and I know on the subreddit for Big Bear AI, a lot of investors are panicking. But Palantir was also share diluted, which tanked the price in the short term. But look at it now. The price is at 2.81 USD with the market cap of 812 million. My target price is 20 plus. With Nebius Group, why invest? Well, it's the Apex AI play invested by NVIDIA. So it's not just, an AI company. They have self-driving cars, full stack AI infrastructure, AI education and courses. I think it's a company that's most similar to what Tesla's doing, trying to branch off into multiple sectors in AI. The price is at 21.51 USD with a market cap of 5 billion. My target price is 100 plus. I think this company is very undervalued. If you look at my video on this, these were the founders, were also the ones that created Yandex. And Yandex was known as like the Google of Russia that hit a market cap of 30 billion. Another company that's very similar to the AI infrastructure, the full stack AI infrastructure, is CoreWeave. And I believe the market cap is pretty high as well. Since Nebius Group and CoreWeave do the same thing, I think Nebius Group is very undervalued for the price it's at right now. So yeah, on to my point about CoreWeave providing AI cloud infrastructure, the competitor to Nebius Group, invested by NVIDIA. The price sits at 43.75 USD, market cap of 20 billion. Target price, I haven't set that yet because it had a recent IPO. IPO companies are usually very volatile in the first few months, so keep that in mind. Recursion Pharmaceuticals, RXRX. So why invest? It's the AI and tech bio monopoly, which is invested by NVIDIA. The price sits at 5.76 USD. When it was at $4, I believed it was super undervalued and really great time to buy stocks. Market cap sat at 2.32 billion. Target price is 20 plus. So Applied Digital, why invest? Data centers, and also invested by NVIDIA. Price it's at $5 USD. Market cap at 1.18 billion. My target price is 20 plus. So WeRide, I believe the ticker is WRLD. So why invest? Autonomous driving invested by NVIDIA. The price is at $9 USD. Market capped at 2.83 billion. My target price is 30 plus. Hive Digital Technologies, Hive. So why invest? I believe it's the most undervalued Bitcoin miner. They have an NVIDIA partnership, AI data centers, and also, mining for Bitcoin. It's a penny stock. The price is at $2 USD with a market cap of 336 million. My target price is 20 plus. Hut 8, why invest? It's a Bitcoin miner that's working with Eric Trump and the Trump Foundation. They offer AI data centers as well as mining for Bitcoin. When Bitcoin goes up, all these different Bitcoin miners or companies that hold Bitcoin will skyrocket. The price sits at 16 USD with a market cap of 1.53 billion. My target price is 40 plus. That's all I have for today. These are the top AI stocks in 2025. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.